Hello, boys and girls. For today's lesson, we are looking into Unit 13, Overcoming the Odds. And specifically, we are going to learn how to give direction. So you can refer to your textbook on page 125. Alright, before we move on, let's look at our learning objective for today's lesson. So by the end of this slide video, you should be able to study and identify the landmarks on a map. Okay, that means you have to identify several important places on the map, and after that you should be able to give direction accurately. Alright, so from one place to another place. Alright, moving on, if you refer to your textbook, you will see this map. This is the Paralympic Village. So what do I mean by landmarks? These are the landmarks. So cafeteria, boys hostel, girls hostel, basketball court, swimming pool. So these are all the landmarks on the map. Okay, so let's look at what Encik Hakimi said. Excuse me, can you give me directions to the swimming pool? So he is here. How do we get to the swimming pool? Alright, so and before that you have to know certain important things such as roundabout, the name of the road. Okay. Alright, so here this man has helped Encik Hakimi to get from here to the swimming pool. Alright, so moving on. So this one, alright, so this is what you are going to do today. Okay, before we do this one, let's see what this man said to Encik Hakimi. Okay, from here, go straight on until you come to a roundabout. So this is a roundabout. At the roundabout, take the third turning into Jalan Ria. Okay, what does he mean by third turning? So this is the first turn because Encik Hakimi is here. So the first turn, the second turn and the third turn. So this is Jalan Ria. Go along the road until you see a basketball court. On your right, then swimming pool is next to the basketball court. Okay, so the direction is quite simple and precise. Okay, now let's try. Okay, how do we get from the field to the girls' hostel? Okay, remember? So this is the field. And how do you get here? First, you got to walk from here and you will see the roundabout and which turn you should take. The first turn, the second turn or the third turn. Okay, the first turn or the left exit and then the girls' hostel will be on the right. Okay, now let's look at it. Okay, from here, go straight on until you come to a roundabout. Okay, at the roundabout, take the first turn, first exit, left, girls' hostel. Yes, first exit to the, okay, you see the first exit is to the left. Okay, so to the left and then go along the road until you see the girls' hostel on your right. Okay, alright. So now the archery range to the boys' hostel. Okay, let's find. This is the archery range and this is the boys' hostel. Okay, by right from here, you should go walk along Jalan Ria until you see a roundabout and then which turn you should take. This is the first turn, this is the second turn, this is the third turn. So the second exit or the second turn and then walk straight. The boys' hostel should be on your left. Okay, so from here go straight until you come to a roundabout. And then at the roundabout take the second exit or we call it second turn. Oops, sorry. Okay, the second turn. And then walk along the road until you see the boys' hostel on the left. Okay, for the third one, I think you can try to do it on your own using the example given to you, the first two example given to you, right? So I will provide a link to today's worksheet on the description. section, and you can try to complete the task on the live worksheet link. Okay, so you can refer to the description section and you can just click on the link to try today's activity or today's task. Alright, I think that's all from me for today's lesson. I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.